Hello again. Technology is constantly improving, and today we're bringing you this amazing new 4K auto-framing camera that is on an entirely new level. Welcome to the AVW Product Information Program. The Minrray MG201 is a 4K ultra-high definition ePTZ camera with a brand new design. It has auto-framing, USB 3.0 plug-and-play, Ultra HD 4K resolution, ePTZ and a 5x digital zoom. No need to download drivers, it's USB 3.0, just plug and play. It has auto framing. Now this employs a superior face detection algorithm to intelligently and automatically frame according to the number of people in the scene, and the characters are always in focus. Uses for this camera: personal video conferencing, enterprise video conferencing, calibration meetings, and more. The MG201 employs an advanced ISP processing algorithm to provide vivid images with clear brightness, strong color layering, high resolution, and fantastic color rendition. Heard enough? Here it is. Follow me and we'll show you how it all works.
So as you saw, when into the boardroom here at AVW Global, the camera sensed I walked into the room and is now auto-focused onto me in the centre of the screen. Oh look, someone's left a pen on the floor. Notice what happened then? The camera sensed my movement and kept me in focus all the way through, and here I am back in the middle of the screen. Now we'll get one of my colleagues to join us and you'll see what the camera does when two people are on the screen. So there we are. We're now both totally in focus and now in the centre of the screen. Let's have another of my colleagues join us and see what happens. Once again, the camera focuses on all three of us and we're all in the centre of the screen. Let's have a party. Let's have one more join us. And there you have it. All four of us, all in focus and all in the centre of the screen. Now watch this. I'll have Grant leave and see what happens to the images. There we are, nothing more to be said. Hope you've enjoyed this presentation.